Alright, so it's Sunday in Cooma, and it's time for the workshop wars. I got my little helper Livy. Let's get into this. Let's see who's going to win this competition.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Pop it, spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright, so there's a fair bit of footage. Some has sound, some doesn't, because some of it was shot from a drone. Big shout out to Joseph Nassar for that. Appreciate the footage that you gave to me, mate. So I'm just going to put everybody's fastest run up. I'll follow that with the timesheet, and then we'll get on to the presentation, who wins the trophies and everything like that. So bear with me. Some has sound, some doesn't. There'll be some slight background music, so it's not all boring and everything like that. But anyways, let's get on with it. I'll do my runs first in Chloe, and then yeah, it'll be followed through with the boys, and then yeah. So I'll give you the time at the end of each run, and you can watch it and see what happens. And then Paddy had a bit of an incident in one of his runs, so at the end of it all, I'll put that up because it's good viewing. So, all right, here we are. Here's the boys and me, and yeah, we'll see who wins. All right, seriously, no, serious. Like this has been a really good event. This is the first event I've held. Well, on piggybacking off the car club, obviously, but you know, you all turned up, you all put in, and you all did your bit, and you know, I can't thank you enough. And hopefully, you know, we'll get a few more views and likes, and maybe even next time a few more competitors. So, you know, if we can share the word around to other workshops and your mates and stuff, you know, we might actually make something of this. So, yeah. But anyways, the winner of today's workshop war is Phoenix. He not only won his class, but he's won the workshop war. So, mate, there's your trophy and your $100
Thank you
buy-in.
very much.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for competing and all that. And then, as we all know, there's the Floppy Cock Award. All right. Which goes to none other than me. So, I'd like to thank the boys for competing, putting me into the misery.
In the lounge room, we can go.
I get no money.
No,
Just
put it on the counter, and behind
the counter at Repco, you reckon? No, well, I didn't race under Repco, so it's got to go in my shed. So, but that's right. So, anyways, like I said, guys, thanks, and yeah, I'll beat you next time.
Oh, yeah, you will.
All right.
You probably will.
Yeah. So, all right, but no, yeah, seriously, thanks for competing and everything, and yeah, hopefully we get a few more competitors next time. So I enjoy seeing you at the next workshop wars. All right, and for everyone at home, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next episode.